Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a vegan food haul. I know. So without further ado, let's just get into this. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the top of the bag and work my way down. So I got some strawberries. You can't go wrong with strawberries, they're just like an essential, a necessity. So I picked some up, and these ones actually look really nice, like they're very red. And there's no bruising and stuff, so I'm like excited about that. I also got some chocolate chip cookies. Now if you watch my previous food hauls, you know I always used to get the Maryland ones. But to be honest, like, I wasn't that big of a fan of them. They're nice, but like these ones are actually nicer. They're the Tesco own brand, free from range. Sorry, I was interrupted. But these ones are tastier. They're Tesco own brand, they're gluten-free, wheat-free and milk-free, and they're delicious. Okay, I also got these sensation coated peanuts. Now, just ignore the fact that it's open and empty. You know, I was a bit peckish on the way home, and the roads were all covered in snow, so it took me a while to get here. And I popped these open and ate the whole bag. And needless to say, they were delicious. If you know the Sensations Thai sweet chili crisps and you like them, you'll love these, so they're delicious. I also picked up one of the Galaxy chocolate bars. I just like to have these in the house, just, you know, just to have. This is the caramel and sea salt one, and I think this might be my favorite. Just might be. I got some cinnamon and raisin bagels, and again, I forgot to get vegan butter. It just blanks from my mind, to be honest, when I go in there. But I'm excited about these. I just love these, like, you know, they'd be nice for breakfast even, but they are delicious and I love them. Okay, so I also got some falafels. Now it's been a hot minute since I've got these. I used to get these all the time. Like, if you watched my food hauls like last year, I used to have these in every food haul because I love them so much. So I decided to pick them up again, and I'm gonna have them tonight actually for my dinner. These are delicious. If you haven't tried them, try them. And then thank me later. I got 2 packets of wraps because, you know, I just like to have wraps in the house. These are Fitzgerald's, pretty boring. Oh, I also got a new vegan pizza. This is the spicy vegetable salsa one. Yeah, I haven't tried this one yet, and I'm really excited to. So this one is new. I got like 3 things of almond milk and a carton of hazelnut milk because they're doing a deal in Tesco where you could get like 2 for €3, and they normally cost about $2.45. So like you're kind of getting one almost half price, maybe, I don't know. But I just thought, like, yeah, I have to get them. Also, I had to pick up some more sriracha because the previous carton that I got was all gone, so I had to get some more. I just love this. I just love this so much, like so much. I got these corn for hot and spicy burgers. As you'd know if you watched my previous food haul, that I always get these as well because they're delicious. As well as the 2 spicy tortilla escalopes. Still don't know how to pronounce it, but like I had these last time and oh my god, they were so delicious, like so tasty. So I had to pick them up again. Okay guys, that is everything I got in my vegan food shopping trip. Let me know down in the comments. Have you tried any of this food? Has this inspired you to go out and get some new vegan products of your own? Yeah, I'd love to know. So with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell, just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.